Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MathyMath number 94.
MathyMath number 94. Sorry, the screen's all blue. Oh well. So today we're going to look at problem 18 from the 2012 AMC 10B. And it says this. Suppose that 1 out of every 500 people in a certain population has a particular disease which displays no symptoms. A blood test is available for the screening for this disease. For a person who has the disease, the test always turns out positive. For a person who does not have the disease, however, there is a 2% false positive rate. In other words, for such people, 98% of the time the test will turn out negative, but 2% of the time the test will turn out positive and will incorrectly indicate that the person has the disease. Let P be the probability that a person who is chosen at random from the population and gets a positive test result actually has the disease. Which of the following is closest to P? 1 out of 98, 1 out of 9, 1 out of 11, 49 out of 99, and 98 out of 99. Okay, this is an interesting question. What type of question is this?
Well, it seems like a number theory problem.
It seems like a number theory? Why do you think it's
number theory probability question?
It's definitely a probability question. What made you think this was a number theory question?
Well, I mean, just kind of the probability.
Okay. All right. How do you want to approach this?
Well, we can look at 500 people.
Okay.
In this. And out of the 500 people, 1 person actually has the disease.
Okay. Good.
And with this 2% false rate, roughly 10 people would get the positive test result. Because it's a 98% the test turns out negative. A 98 out of 100, and 2 out of 100 it's positive.
Okay.
So 10 out of 500.
Okay, and what does 10 out of 500 represent?
That's the people who that's the people who have the false positive rate.
Okay. Good.
And then the 1 person. So this would be roughly 1 out of 11 maybe.
Okay. Why do you think that?
Because you've 11 people that get a positive test result, and
Okay.
1 of them has the disease.
Okay. Awesome. That's very good reasoning. So it's good. It's not true that exactly 10 people out of the 500 will get it. How come?
Well, because you're gonna I think there's gonna be less people in the probability.
Okay.
But as you get bigger and bigger amounts of people, it gets closer and closer to the 2%.
Yeah. That's good. So there's actually 499 people who don't have the disease, so you have to take 2% of 499.
But that's roughly 2% of 500.
Very close to 2% of 500. So very good. Hey, that's good reasoning. Very good job. So to solve a probability problem like this, what you want to do is you want to find the total number of things, which in this case is 11, and you want to find the total number of things on the top that meet your condition, which is?
Just 1.
1. Okay. Good job, hon. Good work.